This one little penny sold for $117,500, and in this video I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to be looking out for on your penny to be making sure that you don't accidentally come across a coin like this and spend it or throw it off to the side and without realizing of how much money it's actually worth. So 1909 is when this coin was minted, and 1909 is the first date these wheat cent pennies were ever minted. This one specifically was minted at the San Francisco Mint. Now you can tell by, if you look under the date there, you see the small little S mint mark. Now this one was graded by PCGS a mint state 67. That is an incredibly high grade for a coin like this. Now if you're new to the channel, the highest grade you can get in grading is 70, so this one's only a few points away from that perfect grade of 70. It's really important to know that every single grade difference is the difference of, in this case, tens of thousands of dollars. For example, if this coin graded at a 68, it would have sold for a lot more money than $117,000. Also, if you flip the coin over, you will see at the back bottom center of the coin VDB. Now those are the initials of the engraver and designer of this coin, which is a pretty cool fact. So this coin is what collectors call a 1909 SVDB. It graded very highly, and even if you have this coin in a lower graded condition, you have a coin that's really rare and valuable. So if you have a coin like this, make sure you find some experts that know exactly what they're talking about, because the last thing you want to do is bring a coin like this to a pawn shop, them give you a few $1,000s when in reality you know that now the coin like this one sold for $117,500. There's going to be a video that pops up on your screen. Make sure you click that video because you don't want to miss any of the coins on my channel.